Today, traders will pay attention to the publication of the US inflation data, which is the main event of the week. The information will determine further changes in the Fed's key interest rate. This, in turn, will shape investors' interest in the greenback and drop a hint about a future trend in the dollar-denominated assets, including oil and gold. Yesterday, traders expected that the U.S. oil reserves data would affect oil prices. However, a rise of 337,000 barrels failed to affect the quotes. The fact is that the change is quite insignificant. Notably, the previous two declines were really noticeable. What's more, today all eyes will be turned to the U.S. inflation figures that will surely influence the Fed's policy. Judging by the forecast, the changes in the Fed's approach will hardly support the greenback. It means that oil, which price is inversely related to the price of the US dollar, will have an opportunity to climb to $90 per barrel. However, a lot will depend on today's inflation data. On the trading chart, we see that Brent futures have been trading within a narrow range of $84 and $86 per barrel for more than a week. Such a price movement is attracting speculators. That's why the price may show a sharp outgoing impulse. Under the current conditions, traders are better to apply a breakout strategy to determine a further movement of the asset. Meanwhile, gold is trading slightly above $2,000 per troy ounce. Like other assets, it's expected to be influenced by the US inflation figures. If inflation slackens, the possibility of the monetary policy loosening may force traders to put money in a more profitable instruments, including safe haven ones. Thus, once the report is issued, gold will get a chance to consolidate above $2,000 per troy ounce. It may even climb to $2,200 per troy ounce. As for the Russian ruble, it continues hovering around the level of 82 rubles per dollar. The overall situation is the same. The only difference is that the US inflation figures will hardly affect the Russian currency. In the near future, the pair may settle within the range of 80 and 82 rubles for $1. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.